How to fix Zapier task usage reset not updating. In this video, I will teach you how to fix Zapier task usage reset not updating. So first thing you need to do is to go to the website zapier.com on your browser and using your account credentials. Zapier tracks task limits monthly, so if the reset isn't updating, it can pause your automations without warnings. So after logging in, you will automatically be redirected to the homepage of Zapier. Now all you have to do is to go right here on the top right and click on your profile. Then click on settings right here and it will open up your Zapier settings. Right here on the left side, you will be able to see billings and usage. So go ahead and click on that. Now since I have a free account, I have limited access to this kind of section. However, if you have the pro version, you will have a lot of information listed right here. So in billing and usage, in here you can see your current task count and set date. If it hasn't refreshed after the start of your billing cycle, that's the issue. All you have to do is to scroll down on automation plan and then right here you will be able to see manage plan. Then you just have to toggle between plans or reselect your existing plan. This forces Zapier to refresh your usage data without changing anything. Now the next thing you have to do is to go back to Zapier homepage, then go right here on the assets. After going there, all you have to do is to click on the SAP section, and in here you will be able to see every SAPs that you have on your account. Now all you have to do is to make sure that none are paused due to task limits. If it is paused, you can just turn them back on if needed after the refresh. You can turn them on by clicking right here on the status. Now, if the numbers still look the same, you can log out and log back in or try another browser. Because sometimes the dashboard doesn't update visually even when the reset is applied. Now, free and trial accounts may delay task resets by a few hours, while paid plans refresh immediately based on the billing date. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments below.